up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick.
My name is Nathan.
And we are the 2RC Boys. Sorry for not posting for a long time. For some reason, something went wrong with our PC. Our PC, it had an update, which made it go crazy. So it's been gone for about 2 weeks. So that's why we haven't been uploading.
No, about like 2 weeks.
Yeah. And we are going to be doing a new video. It's going to be a Pokemon video. We are going to be opening a Charizard, 10,
a 10 Charizard,
and then also this guy,
which is he's a really good guy.
Yeah, he's a very good rare guy. So, as you guys
and we're gonna be using scissors. And kids, don't try this at home if you don't know how to use scissors.
If you don't know how to use scissors,
do not try this at home. You need to have parent
supervision.
Yeah, you need to have parent supervision. Otherwise, if you don't have,
you might get cut.
Yes, you might get cut.
So yeah, I'm opening the 10 right now.
Yes, and then let me tell you a real story of what happened to our cousin. So he was playing around with scissors. He cut his whole thing off.
Yeah, kind of. It's a little bit.
Kind of.
Okay, so let's open the Charizard pack.
At school.
Okay.
So don't try this at home, kids. You need adult supervision. And if you don't have adult supervision, do this with your big brother if he has adult supervision. Even if he's 9 years old like my brother. Even if he's older than 9 years old like my brother, okay?
This is one Charizard GX. It does 140 damage. As you can see on the bottom right there.
And then never try this at home, kids, okay? That's what I'm telling you. Do not even do it. Once I cut I want to have a script like right there.
Okay, Nathan, so
never do that.
Okay, guys, we have the Hidden Fates Charizard pack. This is what I really want to find it. This is my first time I've ever Hidden Fates. So yeah,
each of us can open 5. I got 2.
We got a Mew.
Okay, we each get to open 5.
Okay, I got the birds.
Okay, you got the birds, and then I got
to the side.
Wait, Nick, these are 6. Nick, these are 6 and up.
Yeah. So now we're gonna be opening this box.
I'm gonna start opening this.
No, don't. Let's open them like when we have all of our cards ready.
Yes, we get 5 each. We get open 5 each.
Yeah, me and Nathan.
So I got this side, Nick. I got that side. You get this side. I get that side.
We're just gonna rip this open. Actually,
I hope we get. I hope you.
Yeah.
Nick, you're opening up my side.
You want this side?
Yeah, this is my side.
Okay.
Do I have bad cards on that?
I'm not sure, really. Like, they're the same cards, really. So,
I got 2 really rare pictures of these cards right here.
Okay, guys.
My side.
Whoa. Nathan, don't touch them yet. Okay? So we have a hollow Eevee.
Can I see a hollow Eevee?
Check that out, Nathan.
That's a hollow. That does 0 damage. That sucks.
No, it can do damage. And then,
how much damage though?
I don't know. And here is our rare card.
Let me see.
And then here is another GX right here. So then, Nathan, this is yours. So you got that, and you got this.
So much do I have?
And then I have these 3.
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got 5.
Oh, now
I have Squirtle.
Okay. Let's pack out. Okay. So where's my packs?
Nick, you have to do 9 and 10 for these.
Wait, where's my packs? You have all your packs? Not here. Okay, so these are my packs. Nathan has his packs. Now, here is the jumbo card. Let's put this jumbo card to the side.
So Nick, we
also have
a pen.
A pen.
Nick, when are we
We also have something else. We have a coin, but it's down there.
Let's start opening this.
So,
Okay, let's start
Nathan.
opening it.
so we'll start opening packs.
So we'll start opening mine.
Start opening both. You got it, Nathan?
Yeah, I already ripped it. Let me get this other piece and work with that.
Here's the code. See the card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf energy. All I'm having is trainer so far.
See? Okay, I got some bad damage.
We're gonna show you guys the cards after. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got a Mew.
Cards.
So
Why don't I get any good cards?
here's my holo. Here's my rare. It's a Mew.
Dang it, I get no good cards.
Then we got this.
It gets all the good cards.
That.
So he's lucky.
That. That.
My brother has no love heals.
That. That. That.
Max mad right now.
And the leaf energy. So yeah, that was one pack.
Mad right now.
Let me see the cards that
Really
you got.
bad cards. I'm mad right now. I'm mad.
Oh,
I'm mad.
you got some pretty good cards actually.
Actually, yeah.
This guy. This guy.
Pretty good.
This guy.
I got
Wait.
pretty good cards.
Upside down. This guy. This guy. This guy. This guy.
I got some pretty good cards.
This guy. This guy. This guy. So yeah. Let's move my charger.
I'm gonna eat my
with
black.
my rare cards.
So I'm gonna do my black Charizard last because good ones always go last.
Let's put these cards to the side.
Okay, let's
There's
go.
also Eevee right here.
Let's open them.
Okay, I'm opening my Mew.
I'm gonna put this one in order. I'm doing my black Charizard for last because I don't want it to get.
And by the way, if all these cards are gonna be mine,
Head.
oh my god, why did I do that? There's the code. Put that to the
Nick, I
side.
need some help.
1, 2, 3.
Nick, you wanna help me?
Yep.
Sure. Can you help me, Nick?
Okay.
See what
You
I
can use
have.
those under packs. Let's see what I got, guys. Wait, no! My rare went out.
No.
I got that
One.
energy. This
Two.
one. This one.
3. 4.
This one. I got Pikachu! This guy.
Okay, so I got a
This
plus.
This guy.
This guy.
My rare. No, my holo. This is my rare, guys. Putting it to the side.
Why am I
Did
getting
you
cards
get
that
anything
we
good? Oh, you actually got something good.
What?
I think I got something actually good.
I didn't know that was good.
You got that?
Why do I have 2 of the same cards?
Here's these two.
When it finally got a loved
These two.
one. Look, we finally. Oh, I got.
These two.
Nick, you have 3 more.
Then this energy and this guy.
Nick, you have 3 more left. I have 3 more left.
Yep, I have 3 more. Okay, make sure you don't cut the cards.
And you got that.
I actually really want a good card. I really haven't been getting good cards.
1, 2,
Leaf
3,
energy. A switch.
4. Let's go. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I already have this card. Nathan just pulled an EX.
Give me it. It's mine.
Hold on. This is mine. I gotta sleeve this
No,
up.
every card that you pull, it's yours.
Oh,
Yes.
but this is my card. Sorry.
No fair.
Yeah, sorry.
I pulled that card.
Put your comments down below. See who should get the card.
I deserve it. I don't even have no good card.
Because I'm the one that I spent my money with it, so yeah, I should.
Well, I'm the one that has the bad cards
all
here.
These. I should get.
Nick, look at this. I got an old time pyro. Wait, Nick, I even have an old.
Yeah, that's the old.
Nick,
I think that's
Nick, I have
old
the
time.
old time Charizard.
There's this.
Nick, look what I have.
Let me see that. Nathan got a hollow Charmander. Nathan has all the luck. Nathan has all the luck.
I have all the luck right now.
Okay, guys.
Okay, now
Here's the code.
look what I got.
Oh, Nathan got his rare already. Dude, no way. Got Pikachu. Dude, no way.
I got the
Nathan
jackpot.
pulled.
I pulled out the jackpot.
That is a good card. One,
Nick, look what I got.
3, 4.
Wait, what? Beat that,
Where's
sucker.
my energy?
Where's my energy? Nick, look at all this.
Hey guys, I'm just gonna look at them because it doesn't look like I have any energy.
Nick, look what I got again.
What? Yeah, nice. Okay, guys, he didn't have no energy, no good cards.
Nick, look at all the cards that I pulled out for you.
You know what, Nathan?
Nick, I got.
You got that guy. I got this guy.
Hey, no!
Okay. Wait,
Give me
no,
that.
this guy. This is your guy. Okay, ready? We have to open the last one at the same time. Ready?
Wait.
Let me take these to the side. You got energy. I don't know why I didn't. Ready? 3, 2. Whoever gets the best pull out of this one, they get.
All the Pokemon?
Yeah. You better hope you got an EGX or something.
Okay.
Oh, you're not gonna get anything else. You know why?
2,
I should get a GX or something out of this pack.
4. Oh, I got the black. Bro, I got the black Charizard. See what you got.
He got the black Charizard pack.
Yes,
Like,
let's see what
he
you
is
got.
so lucky, you know?
Let's see what you got.
Hold on, ready? Right. There's the code. Okay, do the trick. 1, 2, 3,
I already did
4.
it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. No, that's not the card trick.
Okay. Do it.
You do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them right here. Ready? Wait. Oh.
You cheated.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's see.
Don't hit him. Don't hit it hard.
Did I win?
No. 3, 2, 1, go.
Did I
One.
win?
No.
No.
3, 2, 1, go. Nope.
Seriously won?
3, 2, 1, go. You won.
Oh, I won!
He got Charmeleon. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I got 20. Yeah, I won. 3, 2, 1, go. 3,
Dang it.
2,
You
1,
dingus.
go. 3,
Do I win? Yes, I got one.
3, 2, 1, go. Wait,
Dang it!
what did you get? Whoa, you got a hollow.
So what?
Okay, ready? 3. It's the last card for me.
I got 2.
Last card. Go. Go.
You go that
What if
way.
it gets a turn? No, you just go
You do
real
it.
quick.
No, you do. No, you
Just
do.
go real quick. Just go real quick, bro.
No, you go first.
You go.
No, I'm already gonna go first. Just go first.
I'm not saving my good card yet.
No, you go first. You go
Ready?
again.
Same time. Let's go same time. No. 3, 2, 1.
No.
3,
2.
1.
Go.
Go. I won.
No.
But you know what? Okay guys, we're going to be showing you guys the cards that we got. We got a, well, let me see this. Umbreon. Espeon. Charizard GX. Blastoise. Charmander. And a hollow water energy.
Rainbow.
Okay. Now I'm gonna be telling you guys my collection of good cards because you guys we won't be able to see these. So yeah, I have a Charizard GX, 370 damage. I have another Charizard GX. It has another guy to him, but he does 200 and about 260 damage. Then I have a tag team. He does 240. Then I have a rainbow. He does 160. And then I have a Lucario that does 160. And then I also have another rainbow that does 30 damage. And then I have a moon that does 120 damage. Then I have a Guzzlord GX that does 180 damage. And then I have a GX that does 180 damage again. Then I have a Charizard EX that does 120. And then I have this card in there. It does the same damage and all that. I'm going to have to switch out them. And then I have a EX 120 damage.
But just different places.
Yeah.
So because the cannon is up, the cannon and that one is up, and this one it's down.
Yeah. And I have a Mewtwo EX 110. It's a rare. Then I have a Pidgeot EX. Does 80 damage. That's my worst card. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Hit the like button. See you on the next one, YouTube. Bye.
Bye.